Welcome, everyone. We've all heard those stories, people who seem to attract success, wealth, and happiness effortlessly. Ever wondered if there's more to it than just luck? In today's video, we're breaking down The Secret by Rhonda Byrne, a book that suggests your thoughts have the power to shape your reality. It's a bold claim, but stick around as we explore whether this philosophy can genuinely change the way you live, or if it's just too good to be true. The Secret dives into the concept of the law of attraction, which essentially means that like attracts like. Rhonda Byrne suggests that your thoughts are magnetic and have the power to bring about whatever you consistently focus on, whether it's positive or negative. Here's the main ideas in the book. 1. The law of attraction. At the core of The Secret is the law of attraction. It's a simple but powerful idea. What you think about, you bring about. If you're constantly worrying about debt, for example, you might just attract more of it. But if you focus on abundance, you open the door for wealth to flow into your life. It's like tuning into a frequency. Your thoughts send out a signal that attracts similar energy back to you. 2. The power of positive thinking. Byrne emphasizes the importance of keeping your thoughts positive. It's not just about wishful thinking, it's about truly believing that what you want is already yours. This shift in mindset can change the way you approach challenges, making you more open to opportunities and solutions that align with your desires. 3. Visualization and affirmations. Visualization plays a huge role in The Secret. Imagine already having what you desire. How does it feel? What does it look like? This practice is designed to align your energy with your goals, making them feel more attainable. Affirmations work in a similar way, reinforcing your belief that what you want is on its way. 4. Gratitude. Practice. Expressing gratitude for what you have is crucial in attracting more positive things into your life. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant, thus fostering a positive energy that attracts more good. 5. Taking action. While The Secret heavily focuses on thoughts and energy, it also hints at the importance of taking inspired action. It's not just about sitting back and waiting for things to happen. It's about following those nudges and ideas that move you closer to your goals. 6. Criticism and practicality. Of course, not everyone buys into the law of attraction. Critics argue that it oversimplifies life's challenges and puts too much pressure on individuals to think their way out of difficult situations. It's important to approach this concept with an open mind, but also a healthy dose of skepticism. Use what resonates with you and adapt it to your life in a practical way. 7. Historical context. The Secret isn't just a modern concept. It builds on ideas from various historical philosophies and spiritual traditions. For instance, the law of attraction has roots in ancient teachings and the New Thought movement, which emphasizes the power of the mind and positive thinking. Impact and influence. Since its release, The Secret has had a significant impact on self-help and motivational literature. It's been credited with popularizing the idea that our thoughts can shape our reality. This book has influenced many other authors and thinkers in the personal development space. The book also led to a series of follow-up books and a film adaptation. Real-life applications and examples. You might be wondering how this actually plays out in real life. The Secret is full of anecdote stories of people who have used the law of attraction to achieve their goals, whether it's improving their health, finances, or relationships. We could look at some of these examples and discuss whether they're convincing or just coincidental. Practical exercises. Vision board. Create a vision board with images and words that represent your goals and desires. Gratitude journal. Keep a journal where you regularly write down things you're grateful for. Daily affirmations. Develop and repeat affirmations that reinforce your goals and positive beliefs. Real-life applications and examples. You might be wondering how this actually plays out in real life. The Secret is full of anecdote stories of people who have used the law of attraction to achieve their goals, whether it's improving their health, finances, or relationships. We could look at some of these examples and discuss whether they're convincing or just coincidental. The role of gratitude. Another crucial element in The Secret is the practice of gratitude. Byrne suggests that being thankful for what you already have helps attract more good things into your life. This practice shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant, creating a positive cycle of thought and energy. Addressing skepticism. Not everyone is sold on the ideas in The Secret. It's worth acknowledging the skepticism around the law of attraction, especially the criticism that it may encourage people to ignore real-life challenges or rely too much on positive thinking alone. So to wrap things up, The Secret is all about harnessing the power of your thoughts to create the life you want. Whether it's through the law of attraction, visualization, or the practice of gratitude, the book encourages us to shift our mindset and focus on what we want to attract more of in our lives. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you read The Secret? Do you believe in the law of attraction? Share your experiences and opinions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.